GNCRC back once again. I'm giving you guys an update on where I am with my projects. So as a bunch of you guys know, I have two of these, and I'll just say the second one is where this one is. Get this off here. Still in the same spot, guys. And I apologize, I got to get more content up, but I've had a whole lot going on right now. Death in the family. Well, we actually had 3 deaths in the family. Got a whole lot going on, and I'm trying to get to this. But I will tell you, I got something, I don't know what motor I'm going to put in either one of these, because I have a Mamba 5300 and I have a TP power motor also. But I also got something else coming along that's going to be pretty cool. I don't know. Hopefully they should be done. I think I ordered it a while ago. I'm not really sure. 2-3 weeks ago. I don't know. I can't remember when I ordered it. But I got a motor coming along that is another hand wound motor. And it should be pretty cool. I think I'm going to put it in. I don't know which car is going to be the flagship car. I don't know if it's going to be this one or the other one I'm building. So you guys know all the parts I have to put in this car. We're going to get this out of the way. And then we're going to go to the SCX. So you guys remember the last video, what I did to it. Hadn't had time to do anything else. I think I did print another part, but I got some good plans. I got some good things coming for this one, and I'll just get to that also. Boom. All right, guys, this is the Furitek ESC. There's been a whole bunch of talk about this thing, and I really want to find out what's the deal. I ordered it about a week ago, and I ended up getting the one without the Bluetooth dongle because they didn't have any in stock. And this particular one, they'll have it as a combo. I can't remember the name of the site that I got this from, but they'll have it in a combo, but they didn't have the Bluetooth dongle included. I'm not sure if I can program this thing with the brush motor without the Bluetooth dongle, which I'm going to order one. I'm just kind of waiting around I got to get with someone on one of those groups to let me know if this can be programmed to run the brushed motor. So you'll be seeing me doing something to this one pretty soon. I'm going to try to get back on the Losi Mini B before I get started on this, because I know a lot of people are anticipating that particular project. So this is going to be one of those things that I may not record because it's been done a million times, but I'm going to get this in here along with my Spectrum receiver, and I'm going to set it up with my DX5R, I think is what it is, Spectrum Radio DX5R. Hadn't used it in so long, can't remember what's what, but that's coming pretty soon, guys. And I appreciate you guys still watching, because I just hadn't had time, guys. Like I said, been doing a lot of work. I had to go out of town a couple weekends ago, and I just hadn't had time. I'm actually taking a class this weekend, and that class is it was Friday, Saturday, and then tonight at 7 o'clock our time, and it's over about 10 o'clock. But most time it goes on a little bit longer than that. So I'll be coming back pretty soon with all this stuff. Everything will be, I won't say completed, but it'll be started on. I got to get some runs in, guys, because where I live, it is super hot in the summer. And you don't want to be out there with RC cars only for a few minutes. I already work outside, so I don't want to be outside with an RC car when I get off work. Also, my Losi DBXLE, I'm thinking about doing a pretty cool video with that. And you guys tell me in the comments if you'd like to see me do something with the Losi DBXLE. But pretty soon, I want to do a video with it. You guys let me know if you are interested in it, and I could probably have that video up in the next week or so. That'll be a pretty easy one to do. Just put in the comments if you guys want to see me do a video with the Losi DBXLE. And I also have the SBR, and I may do that same type of video with it, the Super Baja Rey by Losi also. I'm not really sure yet, but I may be doing that also. Guys, let me know in the comments what you think, and if you'd like to see that video. Till next time, this is GNCRC. Thank you guys for watching.